way of life. Getting my point? Modernity means modern way of life, where the age of reason and age of science overshadow. Political science is not only confined to political sphere. Which one? Boundary between personal and political should be dissolved. So you will get all the things. For example, history of Kashmir is there, geopolitics. So you will get good articles here. Okay, that will give you in-depth understanding. Clear? So this, whatever he will try to understand, he will use his method called as dialectics only. Getting my point? So if anyone asks that which method he used, same thing, dialectics method. Clear? So you can mention there India. Because if you see third world countries, other nations like in third world, this democracy is a failure in Pakistan, failure in Bangladesh. Getting my point? Failure in Nepal also. Failure in Sri Lanka because they are under the dominance either pro-China, pro-India. Point. Clear? Then he was influenced by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was an atheist, and Leo Tolstoy in his book he mentioned about kingdom of God. People. That kingdom of God, and it is decided by the representatives of people, because those 545 members represents the will of people of this country. Getting my point? Because we elected them. Clear? So this is called as popular sovereignty. So just write down concept of real will. Concept of